Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to merge videos online without Watermark for free. Make a compilation of your traveling video content, create a short film of your sweetest memories to share with your friends, or simply merge videos that would look cool together. Here are simple steps showing how you can combine videos with the Video Candy website free of charge. Let's get started. Head over to videocandy.com. Find the link to the website in the description below. Click the Merge Videos icon to proceed. Click the Add Files button to upload the videos you need to merge. We're going to upload 3 videos from the computer, but you can do that from any device, say an iPhone or Android. The uploading starts automatically, allowing our online video merger to process the files. Now you can see the thumbnails of all the videos you uploaded. Click the play button to see how the resulting video would look as is. Let's check what further edits you can add in this tool right away. First of all, you can add more files and rearrange them in the order you need by simply dragging and dropping them. If you feel you need a smoother transition, you can change it to fade to black in the menu on the right. If you plan to post this video on TikTok, change the video ratio to 9:16, but you can leave it the way it is if it suits you. We could also add background audio to our merged video. So we'll upload the audio from the device, clicking the Add Background Audio button, and mute the original sound to only leave the audio track uploaded. Check how your output video would look like in the video player by running the video preview. We're quite satisfied with the results, so it's right about time to click Export and combine videos online. Allow Video Candy some time to do the job and process the files. That's it! Now you simply download your file clicking the corresponding button, or continue editing your video using all the 15 free online tools the website offers. Video Candy is a free online video editor that allows you to compress, trim, crop, resize videos, and even more. Flip, rotate, loop, resize, speed up, slow down, and reverse videos. Tune sound by muting videos or adding new audio. Make slideshows and stop motion. And all these handy tools are available on a single website. Visit Video Candy today and see how it works. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for the most useful tips and tricks. See you next time.